So hi guys, in this video I'll be telling you how to install Project Elixir version 1.6 based on Android 12L. So the prerequisites are you should be on MIUI or any other custom ROMs, and you should have an unlocked bootloader, and you need to be having the ROM and the firmware part in your internal storage, and you need to have TWRP installed. So now all you need to do is reboot to TWRP by keeping on reboot. Keep on pressing the power up button until your phone reboots to TWRP. So now all you need to go is do to wipe, advanced wipe, select Dalvik card cache, then swipe to wipe, go to home, install, and now you need to go to your select your firmware part. Automatically reflash TWRP can be unselected since you're flashing the firmware part. Now swipe to confirm flash. Since it's a firmware, it's gonna be taking very less time. Installation took 5 seconds, so go to home again, install, select your ROM file. Now select automatically reflash TWRP after flashing a ROM. Swipe to confirm flash. Now all you do is wait. So here it is guys, the ROM has flashed successfully the step 1 and step 2, and these failed to mount errors can be ignored. And the TWRP has also started flashing, and which is also successful. Installation took 157 seconds, so all these failed to mount errors can be ignored. Go to home, go to reboot and select recovery. So here is it guys, the TWRP is booted. Now go to wipe, format data, type in yes. So it's down now reboot system. If you get any error like no OS installed, that's just an error, so you don't need to panic and you can just reboot. Now let's wait for the ROM to boot. So here it is guys, the ROM is booted. Welcome to your Pixel. Let me just set up. So here it is guys, the ROM is booted. So let me just put it to 120 Hz. Display and maximum refresh rate is 120. NMM is also 120. So wow, look at that smoothness. That is all for this video. A review on this ROM will be soon on this channel, so stay tuned. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.